So here we are. Got a couple of cups of water here. Now I'm going to add just a few tiny ingredients to this. It doesn't take much. I'm going to take, if I can get it out of the container, 1 cinnamon stick and drop that in there. And pick up the one I just dropped on the floor and throw it in the trash. I'm also going to take some cloves. If I can figure out what I did with them, here they are. These are just like the whole cloves you get at the grocery store. I'm going to take about 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put those in there. And lastly, and probably most importantly, brown sugar. I'm going to put about a cup of brown sugar in there, which I've got measured out here. You want to make sure you don't splash it though. So in goes the brown sugar. And we're going to and when it comes to a boil, it'll start thickening up. So we'll come back when it hits that point.